Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. And today we're going to discuss about the Technique Center or the TechSneak Center. It's a latex document creator from 8downloads.com. So as you can see right now, we are here on the TechSneak Center main program. You can actually create a new latex document, actually type anything with it for people who are used to creating latex document, then this is the best one for you. So this is downloadable free at 8downloads.com. As you can see, we have a lot of features here like it has a mat, it has a format. So it's like a great alternate for Office 2010 or Office 2007. It's just that this one is free. So this is again Chris saying have a great day to all.